Hi girls, it's Jenny with Penton Perfect, and in today's video, we're gonna be discussing how I use my personal Adele out and about every single day. Stay tuned. Girls, hi, this is Jenny with Penton Perfect. Thanks for coming back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Penton Perfect, and I coach women how to write a better story through the power of scripting. And in today's video, I can't wait to share because I've been in a personal out and about for a while now, and I'm obsessed. I'm just really obsessed. So this is our Adele. I was in Yazabel, loving it. I just change according to my mood a lot of times. And of course, the season's important. And then I go to my moods because there's several different TNs you can use within the season. So I finally got my hands on an Adele, and because you guys got me all sold out. So I had to wait even for me to get my hands on one. And I'm absolutely in love with it. So I'm gonna turn you around and show you what I got in here and how I use it every single day. And it's not just from when I'm even out and about, but also when I am home, there's ways that I'm always really in it and using it. And then to be able to tuck it into my tote or shoulder crossbody is just easy, fun, and I feel inspired being in it. So without further ado, I'm going to turn you around and show you how I use this beauty. Okay, you guys, here is Adele. She is my size personal. I've got my new charm on her from Penton Perfect, of course. Look at this. This is my artwork. I honestly, you will never find anything like this. It's very unique, and it turned out so good. It's beautiful. It is thick. It is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. My Christmas ones will be coming out very, very soon. I do believe by the end of October or mid-October. So be staying tuned for that. So my personal, I use this all of the time. I'm also into these really cute pens right now. They're on my Instagram. The link will be down below. I love them. I absolutely love them. And this is the out and about, okay? So I like this because it's also my wallet. And if you are new, the out and about you have credit card pockets. You also have a zipper. And then you have, see that in there? Then you've got a pocket in the back. And then here you have a pocket in the back. It is loaded with storage. Absolutely love this. I also love where my pen loop is. I just want to say that because I love it that it tucks in really beautifully. Do you see that? And I like it centered. If it's not centered, then I feel weird. That's something that Blaine will say sometimes. I feel weird. I'm like, you feel weird? So anyway. So anyway, that's why I said that. Yeah, it makes me feel weird if it's off-centered. So I think I know what he means. Okay, so I chose these books from our store in here, and I love them. I chose the leopard. Of course, it goes well for fall. It goes with Adele. I chose notes, and these are what I'm using right now for homeschooling. So we literally just got started. I put some goals of mine in here. It's just a dotted journal, and I'm just daily writing in it of how I want to, what I'm teaching the boys. And so super fun and really effective, and I love it. I love that it's small, and I love it because also we like to go to coffee shops or bagel shops and also do our schoolwork, which is really fun. And this, then I will have it with me, and it just makes it easy. We are an unschooling family, so it works for me. And I've worked with stuff like this, for a long time. So this year I'm trying it this way. I was in something different last year. I was in a 6-month agenda. I'm liking this. It just makes it more flexible for me since we are unschoolers, and I love it. So I'm using that. Then my next one is my grocery day, my grocery list. I could not live without this. This is phenomenal. I love the fact that I can actually work in this if I'm at a coffee shop or if I took my kids you know, somewhere and they're doing something and I can sit and kind of think about my list or my grocery list. It's just right here with me. And also what I'll do is I'll write breakfast and lunches. There's just, I mean, you've got your list of what's going to be your menu, and then you have your shopping list. And I just do, you know, produce, frozen, dairy. Noticed I put in here port wine. My mom's like, Jenny, you should really try it. And I did, and it was really good. Okay, and then we have meat, protein, snacks, non-grocery, everyday items. I put breakfast and lunches, and then my baking day. I put it all in here for right now. There's really a lot of room to write, and it really, really works. And I absolutely can't live without this. This is my millionth one I've gone through, and I love it. Then I chose her for my planner. This is my food diary. Now, what I am doing right now, I'm not going to get into the details of it. I know a lot of you have been requesting to know my health journey, what I'm doing, and I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. Nothing specific. I'm just not doing nothing specific. And I am low calorie. That's what I'm doing for my body, is just low calorie. And when you're low calorie, you're inevitably really clean. And so I've been tracking, I'm just watching my calories, I should say. I'm not going to say low calories. I'm just watching my calories. And so this is what I do for my food diary. Isn't that so fun? I just started. So I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So this is already the first. So I've already got to move over to September because I picked this up in August. So this is where I am actually. And I should be writing it right there. I think I'll do that. Look at how cute this is. I haven't even used it. What the heck? Gotta take up the tip. So it's the first, and so I would put my breakfast. See how beautiful these gel pens are though, for real? I love them. So for breakfast, and I'll just write down what I ate. I did 2 Ezekiel toast. I did 2 poached eggs. And I did 1 tablespoon of jelly. And I usually put the calories. And now, did I put the calories down? Maybe I don't. Because sometimes what I'll do is I'll leave that part to my notebook. I'll have to share that with you in another day if you want me to focus on how I do my health. Not my health, but yeah, my health. My diet journal. If you want to know more about that, I can share that with you, how I do it. Because I do have another method that I'm not just right here. But this is what I'm doing. And if I keep it within the 300 something to 400, then I know that 400 for each meal, I'm winning, and then I've got room for extras. So that's kind of what I go for, and so it's just pretty easy. So I'll do breakfast, lunch, and then I've got dinner. Okay, and if I have any kind of snack. So I put that there. So this is what I'm doing for my keeping my food log. I've had this forever, and this is my 12-month, and I absolutely love it, and I work in it all the time. It's just a way for me to have a calendar for when I'm out, and then what I do have to do, the only thing that I have to remember to do is write things over to my planner, and I always do that. So I'll do it that same day. But this is just handy to be able to see what I've got going on, things I've got doing and stuff like that. I just want to be able to have a calendar to write it down so I can easily transfer it, because I do not bring my everyday organized notebook with me everywhere. I don't bring this with me everywhere. When I'm going to go take my son to the dentist, I don't bring this, okay? This is what I bring, which is gorgeous, and I bring it everywhere, and I love it. So anyway, girls, that's what I'm doing. And, I mean, even if you didn't carry this around, if you didn't put this in your tote bag and you literally just carried this inside the building where you're at, or you toted it, I mean, come on. It's stunning just walking around like this. It's stunning. Put it underneath your arm, you're tucking it. I mean, it's gorgeous. This is my personal in Adele with all of my books that keep me organized with schooling, my food log, with my calendar, so I am on top of appointments and such, and also, I think I've said it all, right? And then my grocery shopping list. There you go. That's what I was missing. So that is what I'm doing with my personal Adele, and I hope that inspired you to shop out of the out and abouts in the personal. Just amazing. Until next time.